AutoCAD is a powerful design and drafting software widely used by architects, engineers, and construction professionals for creating detailed 2D and 3D drawings. It allows users to draft and design everything from floor plans to complex mechanical systems with precision and accuracy. AutoCAD offers an array of tools for drawing, editing, and annotating designs, as well as support for multi-page layouts, advanced layer management, and custom tool palettes. One of AutoCAD's major advantages is its ability to work in both 2D and 3D, providing a flexible solution for a wide range of design needs. The software's 3D modeling capabilities allow users to create realistic visualizations of their designs, making it an invaluable tool for architects and engineers who need to present their ideas in 3 dimensions. AutoCAD also supports a wide variety of file formats, ensuring that users can share and collaborate on designs with others using different software. The learning curve for AutoCAD can be steep, especially for beginners, due to its vast set of features and commands. However, for professionals in architecture, engineering, and construction, AutoCAD remains the industry standard, offering unmatched precision and functionality. The software's subscription-based pricing model can be expensive, but it's often justified by the software's depth and the high level of detail it provides.